Hi there. Today, I'll show you how to access APA Academic Writer. First, you'll navigate to the library website by going to https://divinemercy.edu/library/. You'll navigate down to Writing Center on the navigation bar. Then, go down to APA's Academic Writer and Access. Next, you'll sign into the library with your barcode and password. For instructions on how to sign into your library account, check out our video, How to Log into the Library, linked in the card above. You've arrived at APA Academic Writer, but you're not yet logged in, meaning you can't save anything. You'll come up to Welcome in the navigation bar and click Login. You'll see the Create an Account option below. Note, if you do not see the Create an Account option, you'll need to clear your cache and cookies. You'll enter your first name and last name, and then you'll use your Divine Mercy University email. You must use your DMU email account to create an account with APA Academic Writer. Create a password of your choosing, check the box, and then click Create an Account. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll see your name listed in the navigation bar above. This way you can edit your profile and save items. Hope this was helpful. For more information, please contact the library. Thanks.